Well, hello again. This is a message to the IVY 120 class, ADN, and let's get right to it. If you look on the grade sheet for the course and you're seeing a lot of zeros there, you can't hope to pass this class with all of those zeros. They need to be fixed, and they need to be fixed immediately. Now, here's a strategy. You're going to get points taken off for late work. But if you do the late work before you do the current work, you're always going to be late on something. So here's the deal. Catch up. Get to where you need to be right now. Turn in that work and then catch up with the work that you owe. Another thing I'm observing is people being really selective in a given week with what assignments they do. You're not doing every assignment. Some of you are skipping the case of, and you're skipping nickel and dime. Can't do that. You have to do all of the assignments in order to pass the class. A fair number of you have missed some of the exams. Now, I've told some people that if at the end of the course it's going to make any difference in your overall grade, I will reopen the exams for some of those that are missed already. I'm not going to do it for stuff that is still to happen. It's your responsibility to know when the exams are and take the exams in the week's period of time that you have to take them. Don't be selective. Quit doing some of an assignment, not all of it. Quit doing part of a week and not the entire week. It's killing a fair number of people in this class because of what you're doing. Angelica, you're doing really well in the class. And Flower, you are just doing a bang-up job in the class. A fair number of other people are iffy, but you're iffy because you've got so many things you haven't done. If you look at the scores that are listed in the final grade total points column on the spreadsheet that I post, you're going to see that if you were to post your grades today, there would be a significant number of F's in this class. I just don't happen to think that's the way it's got to be or will be, but it could be if you don't turn in the work that has not been turned in. Also, you need to get on the discussion board. That's how we take attendance. And if you see zeros in the attendance section on the spreadsheet, those are the first grades that are there, and they have dates on them. So the next one is going to be 7-6 A and B, and 7-6 is for Monday. So you have them from now until Monday to at noon to go on the discussion board and put in some discussion board participation, or you'll be marked as absent. Strongly recommend you read the syllabus and see what happens when you have multiple absences. Bottom line is, again, there is not a reason in the world why every single one of you should not get at least a C in this class. You're not going to get it as a gift, and you're not going to get it by not doing all of the work, underline all of the work that's involved, all of the reflection papers that have to be turned in. But if you do good work, as some of you have obviously the capability of doing, a C is the low point. You can get B's and A's in this class really easy. Now, you've all been instructed about choosing your service learning project. You see the deadline date for that, and my advice is, if you have not cleared your service learning project with me, and you don't clear it with me, and you do the wrong thing or an unacceptable thing, you're going to fail the project. So you need to get a message back from me that proposed place that you want to do your service learning project is okay. So you need to clear that with me right away. Stay up with the dates of everything. You should be paying attention to the final career projects so you know what kinds of questions are asked there. You need to turn in all of the papers. You need to make sure that you're following the directions. Double-spaced, one page, no more than one page is necessary, and don't make it single-spaced, and don't make it 2 or 3 sentences. That won't cut it. If you have any questions, give me a call. Stay up to date with everything, and you should do okay in this class. We'll talk to you next time. Have a great one. Bye.